My name is Technical Sergeant Aaron Kiewitz. I'm an Aerospace Propulsion instructor at the 361st Training Squadron at Shepherd Air Force Base. Here in the Jet Engine Schoolhouse, we take normal everyday airmen and teach the basic skills of tools and hardware and turn them into skilled apprentices that can work on any jet engine throughout the entire Air Force. Airmen here learn everything from the smallest component on the jet engine to the most complicated tasks involved throughout their career. We take these young airmen directly out of high school and we teach them the skills that they need to be in charge of multi-million-dollar engines.
I originally went to college and I couldn't quite find what I was looking for there. I stumbled across the Air Force website, and as I went through it, I came to see that there were a lot of things that I probably couldn't have gotten from college, so I came here so that I could learn a skill set that I wouldn't otherwise have been able to learn. I really love working in the environment I'm in.